Hi everyone, welcome back. We've got the 2022 February card kit from Simon Says Stamp here. And first of all, this is me taking it out of the box. I had not looked at this. I'd only taken all the, the details on the front off. But first of all, you get this mesh bag. This is the second one I've got. I've actually got a sort of greeny colour one, minty green one. Now I've got a red one, which is nice. You can leave the whole kit can fit in there as well. And then I will start to bring these out and we'll have a look at each bit. You'll have to excuse me as it might be a bit slow because I've got to, I've got the sheet that you get with it with some ideas on it. And I've also got the names of each thing in there. So forgive me. This one I will list the, what's in the kit. I will put that below the video and on my blog. So first of all, you always get candy, which is always so cute. And then let's just see where we're at. So this is like the sheet that gives you all some ideas of what to do with the kit. And then we first have the dot runner, which is Simon's own dot runner. And I believe it is refillable. Refillable, I can't say the word. It's been a long day. So refillable, so that'll be interesting to use. And then we have some Tim Holtz Adornments. These are the locks and keys, and there are 5 pieces in there, so I think there's 3 locks and 2 keys if I'm remembering right, which is very cute. I love all those sort of things. Then there's a Simon little Miss You stamp, and it's got the Miss You, and then it's also got the outline of the die, which is super cute. They're stuck together here, but they are actually already cut apart, so you just need to sort of glue them. And there's a video coming up next which will have just an idea for you of what to do with some of the pieces in this card kit. And then there are 2 envelopes. You normally get 2 envelopes in the kits, and these are like a mint and a pink. So I'll try and see what the colours of those are. Yeah, mint and cotton candy, I want to say. And then there's some lovely glittery cardstock, which is Simon's glitter cardstock. It's like a lovely pink, but also I like that the glitter doesn't come off it, which is a bit of a bugbear for me. If you've ever known glitter to just fall off. So I thought I'd go through the cardstock. This is Simon's 100-pound cardstock. We've got surf blue, cotton candy, fog and mint, and 1 of each of those. So let's see if I point them out for you to make it easy. So we have the mint, the fog, the cotton candy, and then the surf blue. And my camera's not picking it up as well, but it is the lovely pastel-y colours. Then this, I think it's 6x8. Let me just double check. 6x8 double-sided paper from the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection, and there are 12 sheets, double-sided. I think I said double-sided, but there's some lovely things in here. You could easily make a little scrapbook page out of this. You could do a 6x6 scrapbook page if you wanted to, or you could use the Simple Stories 6x8 binders to create, a memo type folder. Or you could use some of those images, I reckon, like that first one there in particular. You could frame that and put it on the wall. How cute's that? And then, of course, the pièce de résistance is the stamps. You always get a 6x8 stamp set, which we'll talk about in a minute. But there's also a little simply thank you, or simple thank you, like wordy, sentiment-filled stamp set. This is about 2x3 inch, I believe. And there's lots of words in there that you can combine and mix and match for different occasions, which I think is wonderful. And then the main stamp set is Orchid Rose Bouquet, and it's so stunning and it's huge, guys. It is a 6x6 stamp set. I don't have the biggest hands, but it is massive. So that whole rose orchid stamp is 1 piece, and then there's some lovely sentiments around the outside that you can use to coordinate with it. as well as using those extra sentiment stamps to bring in and do some cool stuff with. So I hope you enjoyed this little review of the February 2022 card kit for Simon Says Stamp. And as always, I will bring you at least one card idea with the card kit. So watch out for that. And I will see you next time. Bye!